Hey guys, in this tutorial I'm going to teach you how you can link money.com with Jotform. So there isn't any direct automation available within money.com to link to Jotform, so you would have to use a third-party tool called Zapier. Go to Zapier, press this create button and then press Zaps button. It will open up a new page and here you will be able to connect monday.com with Jotform. Here as you can see you get two options. The first one is trigger, the second one is action. So in trigger you have to select the app from which you want to send data to another app. Let's say I want to send data from Monday to Jotform, so I will select Monday in trigger and then I will select Jotform in action. Simply click on trigger and it will open up a new window. Here you have to search for the app. I'm going to search for Monday. Here it is. I'm going to select it and now it will ask me to select an event. An event is basically something that will trigger or initiate this automation. So if I select new user, whenever there is a new user added in money.com, it will trigger this automation. I'm just gonna press continue. It will ask me to sign into my money.com account. Simply press sign in, open up a new page, and here it will ask you for API v2 token. You can get this token within your money.com. Simply enter the token here, press continue to money.com, and that's it. Once you have done that, simply click on action. In action you have to search for the other app, which in this case is Jotform. Search for it and select Jotform. I'm going to select Jotform, and in event select the event that should happen in Jotform. So I'm gonna select assign form, or I'm gonna select assign prefill form, but you can select anything according to your needs. And then I'm gonna press continue and it will ask me to sign into my Jotform account. I'm gonna simply press sign in. It will open up a new window. Here I will be able to connect to my Jotform account. Alright guys, as you can see it asks for a couple of things to allow access to your Jotform account. You have to answer these two questions, then press continue to Jotform. Once you do that, your automation is pretty much set up. Now all you have to do is you have to press this publish button on the right top corner. You have to press this publish button and that's it, and you have successfully integrated money.com with Jotform using Zapier. I hope this tutorial was helpful. Thanks for watching.